Okay, now let's try to do some basic integrations after we know the two rules, the two basic rules of integration of x to the power of n and integration of a constant. Let's have a look at such problem here. Have a look at this question. What does it say? Complete the table to find the indicated integral. طبعا, of course, the table here is just to help you. So when you have such an expression like this one here, third root of x, or 1 over x to the power of 2, or whatever, you need to rewrite it first, make it look like one of the rules that you know, integrate it, and then simplify. So let's try to do the first one. It's integration of x to the power third root of x, which means integration third root of x depending on x. What does that mean? This means I'm integrating x to the power of 1/3 depending on x. Now it's a power, so we can follow the first rule. We just add 1 to the power, so this will be 4 over 3, divide by the new power, 4 over 3 plus a constant, and then you need to rewrite. So now, what did we do? We did the rewrite, we did integrate. The last step is just to simplify this expression. So it's just rewriting. 4 over 3 will be multiplied by 3 over 4, and x to the power of 4 over 3 is the radical, so x to the power of 4 under third root multiplied by the 3 divided by 4, all of that plus c. That's the first one. What about the second integration? What does it say? It's integration of 1 over 4 x squared dx. 1 over 4 x squared dx. As we said, integration is a limit, so the constant can be taken out. So I can say that this is equal to 1 over 4 times integration of 1 over x squared is x to the power of -2 times dx. Now it's a power rule again, so 1 over 4 times x to the power of -1 over -1 plus the constant of integration. When you simplify this, the -1 will make the 1/4 negative, so it's -1 over 4 times x plus c. That's the second one. What about the third one? 1 over 3x all squared. So integration of 1 over 3x all squared depending on x. First thing here, the square is for everything, so this is like integration of 1 over 9x squared dx. 1 over 9 can be taken out. Integration of x squared can be taken up, dx. So now it's a power rule immediately. So 1 over 9, x to the power of, add 1, divide by the new power, plus c. So this will be equal to -1 over 9 times x plus c. What about the last one? What was the last integration? 1 over x times radical x dx. 1 over x times radical x dx. Same thing, don't get scared from the shape. So it's 1 over x times x to the power of half. This is a multiplication and we have exponents, so the first thing we need to do is to add the exponents. So simplify it, 1 over x to the power of 3 over 2 dx. Now it's a power, just take it up. So it's integration of x to the power of negative 3 over 2 dx. Now it's a power again, so for the power rule, this will give you x to the power of negative 3 over 2 plus 1, that's negative half, over negative half, plus c. Simplify this, the negative half will be negative 2 over x to the power of half, so x to the power of 1 over 2 plus c, and that's it. Rewrite, integrate, then simplify. Why do we need to rewrite? To make it look like one of the rules. Again, what are the rules that we have used here? We actually used only one rule, which is the power rule. Keep that in mind. Integration of x to the power of n, depending on x, will always be equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. And keep in mind, this rule works for any power except for negative 1. So you can apply it whenever the power of x is not negative 1 only.